Hey there, gearheads. You ever wonder how your car goes from a standstill to cruising down the highway? There's a hidden hero behind that smooth ride, your car's transmission. It might not be as flashy as a shiny new paint job, but trust me, this system is crucial. Think of it like this. Your engine is the heart of your car, pumping power. But that power needs to be controlled and directed to your wheels. That's where the transmission steps in. It's the brains of the operation. Without it, you'd be stuck in one gear, unable to go very fast or climb hills effectively. So, next time you're out for a spin, give a little nod to your transmission. It's working hard to make your drive enjoyable. Now let's pop the hood and take a peek inside. A transmission is essentially a gearbox filled with gears of different sizes. These gears are the key to changing your car's speed and torque, that twisting force that gets you moving. Imagine riding a bicycle with multiple gears. You use lower gears for starting off or climbing hills, right? This gives you more power but lower speed. As you gain momentum, you shift to higher gears for more speed on level ground. That's exactly what your car's transmission does, only automatically in most cases. It selects the appropriate gear ratio for different driving conditions, ensuring optimal performance and fuel efficiency. We can't talk about transmissions without mentioning the two main types, automatic and manual. Automatic transmissions do all the work for you. Sensors and hydraulics determine the best gear and shift seamlessly, making for a smooth and effortless driving experience. Manual transmissions, on the other hand, put you in the driver's seat. Literally, you use a clutch pedal and a gear shifter to manually select each gear. It's a bit more involved, but offers greater control and a more engaging driving experience. Think of it like this. Driving an automatic is like using an escalator, easy and convenient. Driving a manual is like taking the stairs, requires more effort, but you're in control every step of the way. Understanding how your car's transmission works might seem like something only mechanics need to know, but trust me, a little knowledge goes a long way. It can help you become a better driver, recognize potential problems early on, and even save you money on repairs in the long run. So there you have it, the basics of car transmissions. It's a complex system, but hopefully this guide has shed some light on how it works. Until next time, happy driving.